Hey to anyone who's watching, my name is Victoria and welcome to my BewTube channel. Oh my god, that is, I don't even know if I can actually say that. That sounds so stupid. I'm just gonna stick with it, I don't even care, whatever. Relatable. Anyway, with St. Patrick's Day being on Saturday, I was feeling a little bit inspired to do some green makeup. I'm really upset because I had some really cute green, what are those things called? Gosh, oh, clovers. I had some clover earrings that are so cute and I cannot find them, which really pisses me off because they're really cute and I wear them every year on St. Patrick's Day. So this first look you're seeing is from a few years ago. I thought I did a pretty good job. And then this look is from last year, and there are those damn green clover earrings. I don't know where they are, but I can't find them, so these are just gonna have to do for today. I'm gonna keep looking for them because I really want to wear them because they're really cute. Anyway, I decided I was gonna use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. There is a ton of colors in here. They actually have like 7 or 8 different green shades, so that's really cool. I'm figuring that with maybe some gold glitter, if I can find my gold glitter. I always like to do fun green makeup every year on St. Patrick's Day because, as you can see, all of the walls in my room are green. My bedspread is blue and green, so I bet you can't guess what my 2 favorite colors are. So I'm gonna stop blabbing and I'm gonna get into this makeup. Also, don't mind this gigantic planet that I have on my face that I tried to cover up as best as I could, but it just can't get rid of it. Have you ever opened a package, like a new package of something, and there's like a little seal on it and it's so flat and beautiful? It's not flat and beautiful anymore. I just stuck my finger right in the, oh god, that pisses me off so bad. Okay, NYX, what were you thinking? Putting a sticker on this. Anyway, I'm going to be using the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the color Porcelain. I wanted to give this a shot, so I'm gonna try this sucker out. And as always, I'm going to be using my Fit Me powder in the shade Fair to just set that concealer. First, I'm going to be taking the lightest green color in this palette right here and just using that on the inner part of my crease, closest to the inner corner of my eye. And I'm taking this on a Morphe M433 brush. Next up, I'm going to be taking the shade that is a little bit below that. It's a little more of like a pukey green, I guess you could say, and I'm gonna take that on the same Morphe M433 brush and just put that in the center. You know, it's really great. This yellowy is reminding me of the fact, so quick story time, the other day I was making dinner with my boyfriend and I was putting some cheese on our dinner and I was eating it in between, and I tried to feed some to our dog Carter, and when I did, he didn't eat it, and that's because there was mold on it. So I was eating moldy cheese. You better believe my ass almost threw up. Next, I'm gonna take this darker green shade right here and put that on the outer corner. So next up, we are gonna try to create a cut crease with this brush. I'm going to dip into my NYX concealer that I just used and basically ruined and make a cut crease. Okay, so that was a huge pain in the ass. I definitely like the concealer. It's a little bit, I don't want to say goopy, but maybe. So I went ahead and kind of winged it out on the side. It's a little messy, but I'm going to clean that up here in just a bit. So I decided I'm going to use the Chrome Paint Shadow Pot from Tarte in the shade Top Yacht. Also just going to be using my middle finger to apply this because it is the easiest way to get this stuff on there. So I'm going to take a little pencil brush and I'm going to take a, I think maybe mixing these 2 shades together and just go right in on that crease where I cut it out and define it a little more with these colors. So now I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Brights liner, liquid liner in Vivid Halo, and just create a winged eyeliner with it. So I went ahead and added the yellow winged liner. I did add a little bit of gold glitter on the corners while it was drying. It's just some loose glitter that I have from Claire's. I got it, God only knows how long ago, so I couldn't even tell you if they still sell it or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes and the rest of my face, and we will finish the lower lash line. All right, so this look is really coming together. I'm loving the way that it's looking. It's really different, something kind of artistic. I went ahead and popped a little bit of that same gold glitter on the inner corner of my eye just for a little pop of color. And these lashes are actually just Ardelle lashes. They're Studio Effects and they are number 230. I am loving them. I cannot express how much I'm loving these lashes. So what I'm going to do now is taking that first green color that I used, and I'm actually going to put that right around the winged out area just to kind of bring this whole thing together, because I feel like it's kind of getting lost in the color with my skin, my highlight. So I'm just going to be dusting that right around it. I just picked up a more precise brush. This is just an IT brush. It is an Airbrush crease brush. And I'm also going to take the darker green as well and kind of work that around it too, just to accentuate that wing a little bit more. All right, so now I'm going to take that first color again, that more brighter green, and I'm going to run that under my lash line. And now I'm going to take that darkest green shade and run that closer to my lash line as well. I think I need a darker color though, closest to my lash line, because I feel like it's kind of just getting lost. So I'm just going to take some of the black shade from this Brazilian palette and just run that really close under my lash line. All right, so this is the finished look. I am actually a little shook. I did not think that it was going to turn out this way at all. It actually turned out a lot better than I planned. I think it is definitely a wearable look for St. Patrick's Day, especially if you're going to be going out at night in the club. You know what I'm saying? I'm so feeling myself right now. Like I can't even. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it if you made it all the way to the end of this video. I like to call this a get ready with V. You get it? Instead of a get ready with me, get ready with V, because it's a get ready with Victoria. Again, thank you so much for watching. And if you do like what you see, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, as every YouTuber is going to ask you to do. Give it a like, and I hope everyone has a safe and fun St. Patrick's Day. Thanks so much. See you next time. First, I'm going to be taking the lightest green shade in this palette, which is, Lord help me today. Woo! Buddy, damn, I look good.